Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking a look at Lost Dutchman's latest wallet, and that's the Franklin. Let's check it out. So as per usual, Lost Dutchman wallets come in a pretty nice box here and fabric pouch. So let's take this out of this pouch and get our first look at the Franklin from Lost Dutchman here and why you guys are checking this out. Let's talk about some of the features. All right, so the Franklin's available in 5 different colors. And because this is the burgundy color, the leather is an English bridal full grain leather from Wickett & Craig. It features one main card pocket that can hold up to 12 cards and cash, and has a quick access slot on the back. And the Franklin has no stitches or glue. Everything is held together by its folds. It's guaranteed to last a lifetime, and just like all of Lost Dutchman wallets, it's made right here in the USA. Mesa, Arizona to be exact. Alright, so now let's discuss the Franklin here from Lost Dutchman so we can determine if this is the right wallet for you. So let's start with the quality here. The leather is an English bridal full grain leather from Wickett & Craig. And if we do a quick smell test, oh yeah. It passes. And this Wickett & Craig leather is very, very soft. It feels very nice in the hand. And if I get in real close, you can check out that grain. Beautiful. So now let's check out the edges here. Everything looks to be pretty nicely burnished and polished to me. Even on the slot right here, the cut for the tuck closure, I think he even polished that part. And I can't really tell on the quick access slot right here. It looks to be burnished, and everything around here looks to be pretty nicely taken care of. So yeah, nice job. All right, next, let's talk about the design of the Franklin here. And obviously its biggest selling point is there's no stitches or no glue holding this wallet together. It's all held together by tucking and folding the leather. And it looks fairly simple too. Simple yet effective. So it looks like it all comes together and is held together right here. And if I can get a nice shot of the inside right there, you can see, I almost got it. Right there, you can see how it's held together, just tucked, and it's locked right into place. And it's also a vertical style wallet with a single card pocket right here, and it also features a quick access slot right here in the back under those folds. Now this pocket right here can hold up to 12 cards plus some cash and a card right here in the quick access slot. Now I really don't know if they included the card that fits in this quick access slot as part of the 12 total that fits in this main card pocket. That would make for a total of 13 cards. I just don't know, but I'll test that out in just a little bit when I do the card test. Then you can see the cut right here that acts as a tuck closure for the flap that holds your bills and cards in pretty securely. And now let's talk about the branding here. So you can see when the flap is closed, tucked into the tuck closure, you can see no branding at all, but as soon as you open it up, there's the Lost Dutchman stamp right there, which I love that. You don't see any branding at all except for when the flap is open. Nice. So now let's get to the card test and functionality of the Franklin here. They say it can hold up to 12 cards in the main pocket plus some bills. They don't really say how many bills. I have 5 right here, but we'll get to that in a second. Right here I have 12 flat credit cards. So I'm just going to go for the maximum right now. All 12 of them in here at once. And oh yeah, absolutely. So you can see all 12 cards in there fit fairly nicely with tons of room left. Flap is closed. I got 12, the maximum amount of cards in there. Nice. So maybe 12 cards was the max because we still have to get bills in here. Like I said, this is 5 American dollar bills. And the nice thing about the Franklin here is you can stick the bills in here unfolded if you want. So let's get those in there. There we go. So there we go, 5 bills unfolded, and let's fold that back up. Yeah, boom. So I know a lot of you guys out there like this where you don't have to fold your bills in quarters, halves, or thirds. For someone like me though, and I know I've said this 1,000 times before, probably in every wallet video I've ever made, I only carry bills for emergencies, so I don't like the bills falling down like that basically in my way. So I like to fold my bills in half and tuck them behind the cards like this. So nothing is in the way from grabbing one of my credit cards, fits in there perfectly. That's the way I like to carry it. But that's the nice thing about designs like this. You have the option either folded in half or unfolded. And of course, this wallet's going to function just like any other single pocket wallet out there like this. Pull the cards out, do the fan method, choose whatever card you want to. So the functionality is there. But let's check out this quick access slot on the back. Let me grab another credit card. And I have bills back there. I have 5 bills, 12 credit cards, and yeah. So 13 total cards. Let me get this. So this is a brand new wallet, so I'm having a little bit of trouble with the tuck closure here. That's just because it's not really broken in yet. I have no doubts that it will break in after some use, but right now I have 13 cards in there. I got the 1 card in the quick access slot right there. And this right here, I'm a big fan of. I love a quick access card slot on a wallet like this. It makes it just so much more functional. Whether it's your most used credit card, a driver's license, or a work ID, fits pretty nice back here. And if you're not a cash carrier, you can probably fit more cards in here. I have 13. I would say you can get easily 2 or 3 more cards back here. So let's talk about what I like about the Franklin here from Lost Dutchman. I'm always a big fan of wallets that are folded together with no stitches or no glue and is actually a functional wallet. So I think it's a beautifully designed wallet, highly functional, can hold up to 13 cards, 5 bills at least. Quick access card pocket on the back is a plus. Yes, it does get fairly thick with the maximum amount of cards and bills in here, but that's to be expected. For me, I only carry 6 cards on an everyday basis, so right here's 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus the 1 on the back. So this is much more manageable for me, makes it a lot slimmer of a profile. Love it. The full grain leather from Wickett and Craig feels very nice. It's a nice soft leather, feels very nice in the hand, and looks fantastic. On top of that, everything is sourced and handmade right here in the USA. And now let's talk about what I don't like about the Franklin. And honestly, there's really nothing that I don't like about this wallet. If I had to choose one thing, it would be that I wish it came in more colors other than just the 5 colors. But that's just nitpicking. I love the burgundy color on this. I think it looks fantastic. So honestly, with the negatives, I can't really think of anything substantial. So would I recommend the Franklin here from Lost Dutchman? Yes, absolutely. Especially if you're a fan of folded together leather wallets such as this. I don't think you can go wrong here. It's a beautifully designed, high quality, highly functional leather wallet made right here in the USA. I think Lost Dutchman has a winner here. And as of right now, it's only 45 bucks. I think I picked this up for 10% off during the launch sale. So even at 45 bucks, I think this is a steal. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of the Franklin from Lost Dutchman? Now if you want to check this out for yourself, I will have links below in my description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!